here's the log cabin put together with the half dovetail notches, and I tried chiseling, hand saws, chainsaws, everything in the world trying to get these joints. And you can see I've got gaps here and yonder in these, and never could get them to go together very tightly. But over here, this is the joint that I'm getting with my jig. It's good and tight. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. So I may, when I move this log cabin, I may put the ends of these joints here right back on that mill and resaw them with the wood miser. That top timber up there, I decided I don't like. I'm gonna change it out. But I mentioned the 8x8s, putting them in a vertical. These are mortise and tenon down here at this bottom right here with this mortise. Here's a sample of what that mortise looks like, and that fits right into my timber. And then the tenon, no, the mortise, I'm gonna figure out how to say that one day, but that mortise is cut 2 inch wide, 2 inches deep all the way from one end of it to the other. So my one end of my logs, I'll have half dovetail notches. The other end will be trimmed to the right size and will just fit right in there. You can see a spacer. I just cut a spacer. Most of those are 3 inches, 2 inches thick, but they're 3 inches tall, like this guy here. And with my notches leaving me a 3-inch gap on that side, then on the other end I can just stick that right in the mortise on top of the last timber like this, and that keeps my gap. And if for any reason I put my level on here, put my level in here and it's not level, it needs to be jacked up on one end or laid lowered, jacked up or lowered down, all I have to do is trim my wedge and I can keep my logs good and level. So got a little bit of thought into some of these things. I've got 8x8 seals. Most of that's on 4-foot centers. My timbers are 20 foot long and I lose 8 inches in the thickness, and I like that look, so I got a 4-inch coming out here. So this 4 and this 8, I lose 12 inches off the length of my logs on both ends. So where I've got a 20 foot long timber from one end to the other, I lose a foot on both ends, so my inside dimension of the cabin is going to be 18 by 18. And that's going to be pretty hefty and pretty, it's going to look pretty nice. The horizontal 8x8s on that corner and that corner are 8 foot from the corner, so that's the corners of a 8x8 bathroom. It's gonna have a bathroom. That window will be right above a composting toilet, and in this area right here will be a bed. Right in this area it's going to be a sofa bed. This right here will be the front of the cabin, and I'm going to center a 7-foot door right in the middle of it and a window on each side of it. So when I walk into the cabin, it'll be a bathroom in this area, and a bed over here, and a sofa here, and some kind of a little kitchen area. But that's this right here is going to be the front porch. Oh man, I'm getting excited again. Getting all enthused. Kind of put things on hold for a few days, trying to figure out where to put the cabin. But thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you for watching. We'll have some more for you soon, I'm sure.